Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the KOLZ token. Now it is spelled KOLZ, and that is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. This is a brand new token on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find it on Etherscan, and it is a huge project, and this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 5th. On a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, it was just announced, will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 5th at exactly 11 a.m. UTC time. The KOLZ token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search KOLZ, the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you'll be able to find this token on Etherscan when it does go live on dexes like Uniswap and then central exchanges like Mexc Global. You'll be able to find the chart and the price and all the statistical information on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, and then if they applied, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. And I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over here so you guys can easily find this project. You'll see that they do have a big Twitter following, 161,400 Twitter followers. They have a web page linked right there, kolz.chat. At chat KOLZ is the Twitter handle, and they have a blue verified checkmark, 357 tweets. It says AI-powered Web3 Key Opinion Leaders Network, 24/7 chat with the best KOLs in the space, all powered by AI. Now, KOLs is a cutting-edge Web3 platform designed to bridge the gap between leading influencers in the cryptocurrency space, known as key opinion leaders, and their followers. By leveraging Sensay's advanced AI-powered replication technology, KOLs enables influencers to create digital replicas of themselves, allowing their followers unprecedented access to their knowledge, strategies, and insights. The KOLZ token is the primary utility token for this ecosystem, offering unique features and benefits for both users and their influencers. Total supply is 10 billion tokens, and they have here, it says 18 decimal places on this token. Mexc Global, it says there's a total supply of 10 billion tokens. When you go to their Etherscan, it says max total supply 4,999,900,000 KOLZ tokens. And they have a web page that has a full document section on it. You can find how it works, tokenomics, info. There's also a full white paper that will take you to a DocSend document as well. Yeah, all sorts of links. Everything you basically need is going to be on the web page there. And so, yeah, it says KOLs is more than just a bridge. It's a dynamic, interactive space where influencers and followers can engage in real time. With KOLs, the possibilities from knowledge sharing and growth in fields like decentralized finance, NFTs, and beyond are limitless. Join us on this journey as we redefine the future of digital influence in Web3. Now, digital replicas in KOLs chat are advanced digital representations of individuals or entities crafting using cutting-edge technology. The creation process involves meticulous data collection and processing, ensuring a high degree of accuracy and functionality. Now, these replicas are capable of performing a variety of tasks, mimicking real-world interactions in the digital space. They have diverse applications, from enhancing personal experience in digital environments to providing solutions in sectors like healthcare and education. Ethical considerations are paramount in the creation of the use of digital replicas. KOL's chat prioritizes user consent, data privacy, and ethical handling of personal information. Users have significant control over their replicas, including customization options to tailor their digital presence. Integrating seamless with the KOL's chat platform, these replicas play a crucial role in the ecosystem, offering new dimensions of interaction and experience for users. They represent a blend of innovation and personalization, redefining digital engagement. In the KOL's chat platform, the replicas embody a revolutionary approach to digital interaction where personalization and realism reach new heights. Through intricate algorithms and user-provided data, these replicas not only mimic physical and behavioral traits, but also evolve over time, learning and adapting to new situations, much like their human counterparts. This dynamic nature of digital replicas opens up unprecedented possibilities, from providing companionship in virtual spaces to acting as personalized assistants, all while adhering to strict ethical standards and ensuring user privacy and control. Now, the integration of these replicas within KOL's chat's ecosystem marks a significant step towards a more interconnected and responsive digital future. Now, the KOL's token is an Ethereum-based utility token designed to power transactions on the KOL's platform, provide access to the influencer replicas, fuel the platform's growth, support data ownership, and unlock exclusive features for the Web3 community. And this token can be found on the Ethereum network, and it says the base network as well. And their TGE, their token generation event, is set for December 5th, where they will be on DEXs like Uniswap and central exchanges like Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.